Hello students and welcome to Smartkidz tutorials. In this video we will be learning how to find the sum of an arithmetic progression when the nth term is known. That means the last term will be given in this case. As we see in this problem, we are asked find the sum of an arithmetic progression 100, 98, 96 all the way up to minus 10. So minus 10 becomes the last term and this is the nth term. So this is known in this case. And the formula that is used in order to find the arithmetic sum of arithmetic progression when the last term is known is this. That is Sn equal to n upon 2 in brackets a plus l. Write down what does all of them stand for. So Sn stands for obviously the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. N is the number of terms of arithmetic progression. A is the first term and L is the last term. So this A can also be written as A1. So A1 and this is the last term which also can be written as AN, something like this. In certain cases you may also find some teachers writing as A1 plus AN. Okay, so it's the same thing. This is first term, last term. This also is the same thing as first term and last term. So, but this is the formula to find the sum of an arithmetic progression when the first and last term are known. But the problem in this case is that most of the times we are not given n. Like in this case, we are given first term which will be 100, last term which is minus 10, but we do not know what is n. So for that we need to use the formula that we used to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So we'll do that. So we'll write that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is the formula that we need to use. We are given a equal to 100 and we are given our L which is equal to minus 10 and D would be the difference between two consecutive terms. So that would be A2 minus A1 and this would be in this case 98 minus 100. So in this case our difference comes negative 2. Okay, so differences can be negative as well. We'll use the information that we have here and put it in this particular formula. So here L which is minus 10 is also AN because both stand for the last term. So instead of AN we'll put minus 10, instead of A 100, N we need to find out. So this will be left as untouched. D is minus 2. Multiplication. Okay, so this is not subtracted but multiplication. If I bring 100 on this side it becomes negative and I'll have my n minus 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 110. So I will just change the positions on both sides. Now minus and minus will cancel because this will go and get divided here, and similarly 110 and 2 will divide, so we'll get 55 because 55 into 2 gives us 110. So we will be left with n minus 1 equal to 55. When we bring minus 1 on the right hand side it becomes positive and we will get n equal to 56. Now that we know what is n, we can use this value plus a plus l and use it in this formula to find the sum of the arithmetic progression, this arithmetic progression when the first and last term are given. So I'll do that. S20 equal to n which is 56 that we've just found out upon 2. I'm using this formula. A is 100 plus L. L in this case is minus 10. So directly I'll take it as minus 10. Close the bracket. When divided we get 28 here. So this will be 28 into 100 minus 10 is 90 and 28 into 90 gives us 2520. So this is the total that we get if we were to add this arithmetic progression all the way up to minus 10. So, and the formula that we use is this one when the first and last term are given. Okay. So if you have liked watching this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.